In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate safely through the intricate landscape of digital finance, specifically focusing on a topic that's both timely and crucial. Understanding the risks and concerns surrounding the sharing of your Binance user ID with third-party applications like TapSwap. Our goal is to ensure you are fully informed about the potential risks and to provide you with some general safety tips to protect your personal information in the world of digital currency. To start off, let's delve into what TapSwap has been promoting recently. They've initiated a campaign where users are encouraged to register on Binance, go through the necessary process of identity verification, often referred to as KYC or Know Your Customer, and then share their Binance user ID, sometimes called UID or BUID, with TapSwap. Supposedly, this would qualify users to receive rewards. However, this promotion is flagged by Binance support as being unassociated with them. Binance explicitly advises users against sharing their UID with these programs, a word of caution that needs to be taken seriously given the nature of these promotional offers. Now, you might be wondering why sharing your Binance user ID could be risky. Well, even though sharing your UID alone isn't equivalent to revealing sensitive details like passwords, it does open the door to possible phishing attacks or identity impersonation. Third-party platforms, despite their promises of rewards, may not handle your information with the necessary security measures. Consequently, there's a substantial risk that the third party could misuse your information or simply not deliver on the promised rewards. Always be conscious that once your data is shared, it could be vulnerable to various security threats. Community warnings further amplify the need for caution. Numerous Reddit threads and online posts have raised alarms, pointing out potential scams linked to TapSwap. These warnings shouldn't be overlooked, as user experiences play a critical role in evaluating the trustworthiness of digital platforms. These voices from the community act as a collective warning sign to proceed with heightened awareness when interacting with applications or sites requesting personal information. So, what should you do in light of these findings? When dealing with unidentified or unverified platforms that request personal identifiers like your Binance UID, it's imperative to thoroughly research and verify their legitimacy. Seek out official communications from Binance or consult trusted sources within the crypto community to gauge the reliability of such requests. Remember, in the world of digital finance, staying informed and cautious is your best defense against potential scams. Ultimately, safeguarding your digital identity requires constant vigilance and skepticism towards offers that seem too good to be true. As the digital landscape continues to evolve rapidly, staying educated and aware is key to navigating it safely. Thank you for watching, and remember to protect your information fiercely as you explore the expansive world of cryptocurrencies and digital transactions.